Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Fatir Janobiski from Class B Information System. In this presentation, I will explain several important concepts in UI UX design. The topic that I will discuss include the IDET stage in design thinking, affinity diagram, crazy XS, user flow, task flow, and workflow, as well the difference between wireframes, mockup, and prototypes. Number one, the IDET stage in design thinking. The IDET stage in the third stage in design thinking process, following the empathize and define stage. During the empathize stage, designer try to understand users, their behavior, needs, and challenge. After that, in the define stage, designer identify and clearly formulate the main problem that needs to be solved. Once the problem has been defined, the process moves to the IDET stage. The main purpose of this stage is to generate as many ideas and possible solutions as possible. The IDET stage is very important because it encourages creativity and innovation. Instead of focusing on only one solution, designers are encouraged to explore multiple possibilities. This approach helps teams avoid assumption and discover better solutions that truly address user needs. There are several activities commonly used during the IDET stage. The first activity is brainstorming. Brainstorming allows team members to freely share ideas without criticism or judgment. The goal is to generate a large number of ideas in a short period of time. The second activity is mind mapping. Mind mapping helps teams visual relation between ideas and discover connection that may not be immediately obvious. Another activity is crazy XS, which encourage participants to quickly generate multiple ideas within a limited system. Teams may also use the SCAMMER method. SCAMMER stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. This technique helps team improve existing ideas and create innovation solution. Lastly, there is brainwriting, where participants write down their ideas individually before discussing them with the group. Number two, affinity diagram. The second topic is affinity diagram. And an affinity diagram is a tool used to organize and categorize ideas, information, or research finding based on similar and relationship. In many projects, brainstorming session produce a large number of ideas. While having many ideas is beneficial, it can also become difficult to manage and analyze them effectively. That is where an affinity diagram becomes useful. The main function of an affinity diagram is to group relation ideas before together. Next, number 3, crazy X in UI UX design. A participant fold a set of paper into 8 sections. Then within 8 minutes, the participant must create 8 different ideas, spending approximately 1 minute on each idea. The purpose of this exercise is to push participants beyond their first ideas and encourage them to explore multiple possibilities. First, it simulates creativity because participants are required to think quickly. Second, it helps generate a large number of ideas and in a short period of time. Next, number 4, user flow, task flow, and workflow. The fourth topic is flow and relationship with task flow and file flow. User flow is a visual representation of the path users take while interacting with a website or application. Its purpose is to illustrate the complete user journey from the starting point to the final goal. For example, in a commerce application, a user flow might begin with the home page, continue to the production, browsing, product selection, checkout, payment, and finally order confirmation. Next, number 5, difference between wireframe, mockup, and prototype. The final topic is difference between wireframes, mockup, and prototypes. These three elements represent different stages in the UI UX design process. A wireframe is the most basic representation of a design. Focus on structural layout and content placement without including detailed visual elements. Wireframes are usually black and white and contain simple shapes and placeholder. The main purpose of a wireframe to establish the overall structure of an interface. Conclusion: in UI UX design involves various methods and tools that help designer create user-centered digital product. The idea stage encourages creativity and innovation. Affinity diagram help organize ideas and identify patterns. Crazy X promotes rapid idea generation. User flow, task flow, and wireflow help visualize user journey and interaction. Finally, wireframe, mockup, and prototype support the design process from initial concept to interactive testing. By understanding and applying this concept, designer can develop digital product that effectively meet user needs and provide a positive user experience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.